I'm gonna have to be careful after my last debacle with the wind and the tripod thing. It blew over and broke. That cost me to have it fixed. Anyway, it's a bit windy and the thing's a bit, yeah. Let's have a look, see. Honestly, my cats. Ooh, feeling a bit Little Red Riding Hood in this dress. What do you think? Is Lord G my big bad wolf? I think he might be. Although, oh, I say, the wind's gathering the skirt. The weight loss is working. This is tighter than it's been for a long time. A long time, if ever.